So Premier Gems came forward to us with the desire to create a video to showcase their virtual fulfillment of services. So they can not only provide cool custom jewelry in person in Calgary, Canada, but they can do it for people anywhere in the world. And we were able to make a video for them showing that, helping people see how they can guide them through whether they're here, wherever they may be in the world. Started with the original consultation, going through the questions in this document, combined with their notes from BAM Align, from doing the archetypes quiz and other BAM strategy work that they've done with my friend Joel and Gonzalo over at BAM Align. So understanding that they have the main archetype of being an outlaw, secondary is magician, and their voice is disruptive or rebellious and challenging, and using those kind of different fears and drives, we were able to come up with a script along with a bunch of other questions to understand the problem that they solve, who they solve it for, who their audience is, and how they guide them forward through that problem, and realize they have a few different kinds of clients. A bunch of different things came up in that hour and a half going through that document, which I can flash on the screen here. In the end, we had all the notes, understanding their authority that they have, having 30 plus years of experience in the industry, and to the result that people are wearing a memory, their vision is coming to fruition, they're involved in the process. All these different pieces come through several iterations of the script until we got to here, something that I could provide my voiceover artist, which in this case was Steph Baker, a friend of mine, and had it down to around a 2-minute script, 330 words, just over 2 minutes is what we anticipated. In the end, our video was 2.5, so not far off. So here's the script that we came up with over several iterations, some bouncing it back and forth, realizing that we could use this stuff as text on screen, show, not tell, in that particular case, how they guide people through. They render, create a wax 3D print, cast the piece, and ship it out. All that until we created this video. Thankfully, no revisions, and that's pretty incredible. Thank you, Jeff, Aaron, Joel, the team. Thanks so much for creating this together. Hope you enjoy it.